Rocks and minerals. In our childhood days, we played so many stone games. For example, hopscotch, or we can say kit kit. What is a rock? A rock is a naturally occurring solid substance that is normally made of minerals. There are three different types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. Igneous, derived from the Latin word ignis, meaning fire. Igneous rocks, also known as primary rocks. Igneous rocks is formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. When any volcanic eruption is there, in that condition, that magma, when it's come out and that lava slowly it's cooled down. After cooling it, that is the first rock which is formed, that known as igneous rock. We can categorize this igneous rock in two different types. First, intrusive igneous rocks. Second, extrusive igneous rocks. First, intrusive igneous rocks. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the earth crust. Since they cool down slowly, they form big crystals. When there is a volcanic eruption and that lava unable to come out, and inside only when this cool down, they form a large big crystals, that for example granite. Extrusive igneous rocks. When this molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. They form tiny crystals, for example basalt. Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, also known as secondary rocks, because they are derived from the primary rocks. Rocks roll down, crack, and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, glaciers, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. These type of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. These rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Metamorphic rocks. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. For example, clay changes into slate and limestones into marble. Rock cycle. Children, you will be surprised to know that one type of rock changes to another type under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. This process of transformation of our rock from one to another is known as rock cycle. You have already learned when the molten magma cools, it solidifies to become igneous rock. These igneous rocks are broken down into small particles that are transported and deposited from sedimentary rocks. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. The metamorphic rocks, which are still under great heat and pressure, melt down to form molten magma. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rock. Like this, the rock cycle continues. Rocks are made up of different minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition. Minerals are very important to humankind. Some are used as fuels, for example, coal, natural gas, and petroleum. They are also used in industry, iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc. In medicine, in fertilizers, also we use these minerals. The Red Fort is made up of red sandstone. The Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. Thank you.